Shah Rukh Khan has donated huge money for country. During this time of crisis in our country, many Indian celebrities have come forward to help the nation. Just like other Bollywood celebrities, the richest Bollywood actor has also come forward to help his nation in this time of crisis. Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan recently took his social media account to announce about his series of contribution to help people in this tough time. Being the richest actor of Bollywood, SRK owns several companies like Red Chillies Entertainment, Kolkata Knight Riders, Mir Foundation, Red Chillies VFX. With the help of these group of companies, Shah Rukh Khan has started various initiatives to help the needy people. The actor in his post applauded the efforts taken by the leaders of our country, states and union territories. With the help of Kolkata Knight Riders, the IPL team co-owned by Gauri Khan, Jay Mehta and Juhi Chawla, SRK is donating money to PM Cares Fund. Red Chillies Entertainment, owned by SRK and Gauri Khan, is donating money to the Maharashtra Chief Minister's Relief Fund. SRK, through his IPL team Kolkata Knight Riders and Mir Foundation, is donating 50,000 PPE kits for healthcare providers of West Bengal and Maharashtra. The actor said that the healthcare providers are the real heroes and their protection is the matter of utmost priority. SRK's Mir Foundation, along with the Ek Saath Foundation, will provide daily food requirement to around 5,500 families daily for at least 1 month. The actor also added that a kitchen will be set up to provide 2,000 freshly cooked meals every day to help household and hospital whose daily needs are not getting fulfilled. SRK's Mir Foundation, along with the Roti Foundation, founded by the former DG of Maharashtra Police, will provide 3 lakhs meal kits for 10,000 people per day for at least 1 month. Mir Foundation of the actor, along with the Working People's Charter, will provide basic essential and grocery items for at least 1 month to 2,500 daily wage workers in Delhi. SRK's Mir Foundation will also provide a monthly stipend to over 100 acid attack survivors, which will take care of their basic needs. This stipend, 100 acid attack survivors, will be provided to states like West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi and Uttarakhand. The actor also tried to raise awareness through his post by requesting people to stay at home safely to curb the spread of the virus. The actor in his post added that he is praying for the healthy life of everyone and asked people to do the same for him and for his family too. The actor said in his post that this is the time people should look out for each other. Shah Rukh Khan has said these initiatives are just a start from his side and added that he will contribute further whenever required. We, the team of Smoky Evening, request all the people to stay safely at home. It's a humble request from our side to you to donate as much as you can for a greater good, from us for us.
Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.